History Month quiz. It's time to test your history. Do you know Black history? Let's find out. Question: what African American photographer and director became famous in the 1940s through the 1970s? Gordon Roger Alexander Buchanan Parks was born November 30th, 1912. He was an African American photographer, composer, author, poet, and film director who became famous in the 1940s through the 1970s. Did you know the answer to that question? How about these questions? Can you name the African American astronaut who was the first woman of color in space? Who was a key figure in the Underground Railroad helping slaves escape to freedom? Which African American scientist invented glue? We'll find out in the next video. Subscribe to learn more Black history.